All right, guys, here we go. Number two, premium hockey jersey. All right, number 2. Here we go. 5 times for the 5 times. Let's get it. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and number 10. 10. All right, let me grab that. Move this over. Number 3, premium hockey jersey. All right, delete that. Delete that. Get rid of that. All right, number 10. 10. Got number 10 there. Hockey jerseys. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, number 10 it is. 10. Nice pizza box for you. All right, Tanner 2, Nick 5, Ryan 2, Terry with 10, Diz 2, Andy 2, Chrome Dome 2, Eric 2, Chrome Dome 2, Terry 2 more. All right, 5 times for the 5 times. Here we go. All right, 5 times for the 5 times. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And Chrome Dome, you're on top. You got Arizona. Terry, you're on the bottom. You have the National. Or you have, the Ducks are on top. Didn't know that. All right, group you guys together. Andy, Coyotes, Wings, Chrome, Ducks, Canadians, Flyers, Canucks. Diz, Stars, Sharks. Eric, Panthers, Leafs. Nick, Flames, Avalanche, Jackets, Preds, Rangers. Ryan, Oilers, Blues. Tanner, Islanders, Lightning. Terry, Bruins, Sabres, Hurricanes, Hawks, Kings, Wild, Devils, Senators, Pens, Knights, Caps, and Jets. All right, Mondo, you want you want the rest of you want 15 baseball spots? Closed baseball. You want the last 15, man? You big ballin'. All right, guys. Any trades? Let me know. Let me know. Alright, man. I'll close them out. I don't think you have enough, dog. Alright, man. You had $90 left in credit. So you just owe 30. I'll put you another 15 now. Boom, boom, and boom. Hope you get a good one. Alright, 30 seconds, guys, before we bust it. Big baller Mondo. Alright, here we go. Hockey jersey. Let me stand up. 5 divisions, Chrome. I know you're a big baller, man. I know you're a big baller. It is Mark Stone for the Vegas Golden Knights. Vegas Golden Knights. Q92574. Vegas Knights Stone. Going to Vegas Golden Knights. There you go. Nice Vegas Golden Knights jersey. Nice jersey there. Vegas Golden Knights, Adidas. Mark Stone for Vegas. Mark Stone. There you go. Mark Stone going to Vegas. Alright, nice Vegas jersey. Very nice, very nice. Mark Stone. Nothing but heaters in the hockey. That'll go to Vegas Golden Knights. It's Terry B. Alright, Terry B, there you go, boss. You got yourself a Vegas Mark Stone jersey. Very cool, very cool. You got 10 or more as well. 10. We started the next hockey jersey. Why is there no numbers? What the hell? Fix that real quick. Hockey jersey. Alright, very cool. 5 times for 5 times. Terry B's guaranteed a free spot. See if anyone else is joining him. Alright, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and Terry B. Alright, Terry B, you got yourself a hockey spot as well. Alright. That'll be hockey jersey number 2. Number 2. Hockey jersey. Good. Good, 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 good or goodest. Good, good or goodest. Hockey jersey going to Terry B. Alright, guys, up next is the baseball jersey. Stay tuned. Any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break, guys. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Thank you, thank you.